here's why summer is the perfect time for a reset and a reboot for your diet and lifestyle. I'm here outside in my gorgeous Tanzanian garden. I'm Opare here in my luscious garden. Here on this channel, I share tips and tools you can use to create a healthy diet and lifestyle you can stick to. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to click the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you'll find out every time I upload a new video. Summer is the perfect time to reset, to reboot, and to upgrade your diet and your lifestyle. With abundant, fresh produce, good weather, and an opportunity to get outside, to get fresh air, to get exercise, to get sunshine, it's the ideal season to make positive changes. What's a reset? What's a reboot? A reset is a time for you to take where you are now, whatever your bar is right now for what your diet and your lifestyle is, whatever your typical pattern is right now, and to take it up to the next level, to move it up a notch, to get closer to your healthy diet and lifestyle goals. And it's something that has helped me progress further and further along my healthy eating and healthy lifestyle path over the years. Sometimes I've done it by doing a juice fast to get me started. More recently, I've been doing the fruit feast to get me started. But there are many ways to do it, and summertime is the perfect time to reset and reboot and recalibrate your lifestyle, your diet and your lifestyle. In the summertime, the weather's good. There's all this lush produce around. You can go to the farmer's market, you can get local organic food, and much easier, much cheaper. It's not come thousands of miles from Chile or someplace else where it's picked so early that it doesn't have any flavor anymore. Now you can get this amazing, flavorful food. Cherries and blueberries and strawberries and raspberries and peaches and figs and so much stuff. Corn, fresh corn, and wonderful green peppers, bell peppers and greens, and so much abundance right now, so that you can really make a difference in your diet. As well as with this weather, you can get outside and take a walk, you can go for a jog, you can sit out in the sunshine, you can go to the beach, you can get together with friends and have an activity outside. And so you can begin to incorporate more movement into your day-to-day life and more sunshine. It's so important that we get out in the sunshine. We don't need vitamin D supplements, we need to be out in the sunshine. So and you get fresh air. You're out in nature, and being in nature is so healing. We are meant to be out in nature and put our feet on the ground. So summertime is the perfect opportunity for you to reboot, recalibrate, upgrade, and reset. And during this reset, you have an opportunity to establish some new habits. You can see what it's like to start your day every day with fresh fruit instead of the toast or cereal or bacon and eggs. You can start your day with just fresh fruit and see how that feels. You can have the opportunity to incorporate more salads and a wide variety of salads. It doesn't just have to be a lettuce salad. There are so many different types of salad. This is your opportunity to explore, to experiment, and to reset your diet. You can eat lighter because you're outside doing more, so you're less likely to just be sitting in front of the TV eating and munching away. So you can establish some new habits around your diet, as well as new habits around movement. You're less likely to not want to go outside or go to a yoga class or an exercise class or to the gym. We're wearing less clothes, and so we want to look better, and so we're more likely to want to get out and take that initiative to get some exercise. And so as you begin incorporating these into your life, you can look at ways you can make them last after the summer. And you can begin to see what it has been that keeps you going. You can begin to look at what your bottom lines are. What is your bottom? What are you willing to allow yourself to eat? What are you willing to allow yourself to do or not to do? And so if you're intentional about it at this time, you can reset your bottom lines. Bring them up a higher. I'm going to eat at least 50% raw food, or I'm going to go outside and every day for at least 15 minutes, even if it's just to walk around the block or to sit on my front porch. I'm going to get myself outside. And once your body is used to doing the movement, doing yoga, doing things, then even when it's wintertime and you know how good you feel, you're more likely to take advantage of indoor opportunities to get the exercise that you need, so that once the summer is over, you're primed to keep up your healthy diet and lifestyle habits. So I've got some lovely lettuces here, 2 different kinds. There's so much thing. I'm going to show you around the rest of the garden. There's so much luscious stuff here today. It's been raining, and honestly, it's not really summer here in northern Tanzania in the southern hemisphere. It's getting darn cold. But I put on my summer clothes just for you to help inspire you to take advantage of this time of year. Are you ready to reboot and reset your diet and lifestyle this summer? I want to invite you to join me for my 4-week summer reboot. It's a one-on-one personalized program where we will get together once a week for 4 weeks to help you create the healthy diet and lifestyle that you really want. During this time, you'll get clear on what your goals are, decide on how you're going to get there, identify the things that are getting in your way, and figure out a way to overcome them, so that after the 4 weeks are over, you'll be primed and set and ready to keep going with your healthy diet and lifestyle. So that's it from my garden. It's time for your summer reboot. I wish you the best of luck. May this summer be your healthiest, best summer yet. Kwaheri, goodbye.